Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video. As you can see, we are in Please Donate. So yeah, all we are doing, okay, 1 second guys, it's not wanting me to move. Yeah, there we go. So welcome to Please Donate. Later in this video, me and my brother Eric are going to be playing Roblox Doors. Oh yeah, and I'm not sure if you noticed, but I already have everything set up here. And also, we have fixed my mic. I noticed that you can barely hear me. Yeah, I'm just typing this. Please donate for Jeff shop to go to college. Yay! College. There we go. That's fixed. Please donate now. This is why I joined, so people can donate me Robux. Yeah, donate for just shop. I'm hungry for Robux. Yeah. So yeah, can you donate, please? No, I mean, how did you do that? What? How did you do that? Okay. Well, I might be donating some Robux right now, if I have it. Thank you, what's it? Good job. You get Robux. Yay. There you go. Yay. Now that's the last of my Robux. Okay, I'm getting some Robux. Yay. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm broke, so please hit that like button and subscribe so that we can make more videos like this. Currently, we're only doing these videos once a week, but that's because we literally have 4 subs. So please hit the like button and subscribe and hit that little notification bell so we can do more videos. My goal is to do it at least once a day. And we're doing it once a week. So yeah, please hit the like button and subscribe and enjoy the video. So now I'm just gonna see if people are generous enough to donate me routes. Oh. I have no idea. Okay, I'm confused. What? Why is everyone here speaks another language? Wait, is that my language? Oh man. Why is everyone... Okay, I got a little trying. Everyone is just speaking another language. That was stupid. What? This is just done. This is stupid. The more you donate, the higher I fly. Okay, I don't... Oh wait, they probably use this. 120. Okay. Donate for Jeff. And I'm going to put in a Jeff. I'm not sure if you actually can put in Jeffs. Oh yeah, you can. To go to college. What? Okay, I don't know why that was not what it is. I forget to go to college, and then let's add a Jeff. I'm gonna add like a please donate. Please donate. Jeff. Jeff. For Jeff. Maybe. No. Maybe, can you put this in? I'm not sure if you can actually. Nope. And I'll just put it in. I'll just put in the heart. Can I actually do emotes? I've never done an emote before. I don't know why there's so many. I've never done one. Wait, am I doing an emote? Did I just do an emote? Is it like this that I did? Yeah. Okay, I can do emotes now. That's cool. I've literally never done an emote in my life. Is it this? This. Okay, what? What? I don't get where that... Okay, can I use emotes here? Emotes. Yeah, I can. Sure. I wish I could do flashy dance. Don't love your family. It's my baby. Oh, I wish I could donate Robux. Yeah. I wish. Wait, can I have an emote to fix this? Emotes. Fine. I'm not too sure. One, two. Alright. What does it mean by fan? Do you know what that means? Yeah, I'm just going to create more. Can I create more? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna do this stuff. I'm just gonna go with it. Yeah, we'll just close all these tabs. I don't want you guys to see this. Let's close everything here. Alright, yeah, let's create some stuff. I was gonna create, come on, create. I have to do all these steps all over again. Great, just great. Alright, that's fine. I think you go to creations, then you click hits, click one of your experiences, and I think you scroll down to click passes, then create, yeah. Name, please donate for Jeff Shop. Please donate, or you better donate for Jeff Shop to go to college. Someone give me Robux. I have. Did I spell that wrong? To go. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. I know how to. Great. Thank you. Let's make this. Oh my goodness. I'm an idiot. I forgot to. Okay, yeah. I'll make this. 200 Robux. Thank you. Save. Did someone donate Robux? No. Dang it! People just are not nice. This dude is like live donations. How? I almost want to. Yeah, I don't care more. All I want is Robux. How did people get so much Robux, man? Oh yeah, let's go. Oh my. Is that like that dude on the leaderboard? I have to go check. Comment down below. Oh wait, can't. Sorry. Let me see. Is that on the leaderboard? No. Yeah, I'm an idiot, sorry. Still, please donate to me. How did they get it? How did they get this? 99 Robux. I wish I had Robux, because I would definitely get this. Why is this so expensive? Why are all of these so expensive? This one is literally free. Donate if you want. Go for 100. Yeah. Please donate so I can help you pay. Oh, you're almost there. If you think you're poor, please help. I'm just gonna put like a thing that writes down like how much Robux I currently have gotten, and that's not a lot at all. So let's say, please donate. I've gotten 0 Robux. I've had 0 Robux for a while. Donate or just to go to college. Enter. Yeah. Donate for just to go to college. Perfect. Now please donate so Jeff can go to college. This better work, or else I'm literally about to lose my mind. Hey, can you donate? No? Okay. Hey, can you donate? No. Okay. Hey, can you donate? No. Okay. Hey, can you donate? Okay, I just want someone to donate. Let's see. Yes, I want to close Roblox. Joking. Gosh. Donate to me. Someone donate. Can you donate? Can you donate? Can you donate? No, you cannot donate. Can you donate? You donate. You donate. Come on. Why does everyone like never donate to me ever? I'm just gonna continue leaving or joining until someone actually donates to me. Goodness gracious. Or maybe I should just try to friend haze him. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to friend haze him. I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to unfriend someone. Sadly. Let's be honest. Friends, not anyone online, definitely. I'm not unfriending you. Not you. You know, I'll unfriend you. Oh, I'm your only friend. Never mind. You, I don't know. You have 14 friends. That's the unlucky number. I'm unfriending you. Favorites. No, I don't care. Unfriend. No, I'm just gonna search for a reason. Because I think it was like, hey, I forgot how to spell his name. I mean, comment down below. No, you can't. Sorry. Just, do you think I'm an idiot? Be real. Just, hey, the free MN. Some more friends. Search. Hey, free MN. Enter. Hey, I've already friended you? Really? I've already friended you. I've really already friended you. Okay. I was not expecting that for you guys. I'm just going to join again and hope someone is nice enough to give me Robux, because I want Robux and I need Robux. I'm greedy, I know that, but I need Robux. I'm broke. I have 0 Robux. If I had Robux, it would make these videos a lot more exciting. So I need Robux. Please donate. Please donate. Please donate. Please donate. Please donate. Do it for Jeff to shop to go to college. Enter. No, I don't. No, I don't want to buy that. Please donate. Please donate. Hey, Sonic. What? You have really... Wait, his username actually Sonic? His username is Sonic. My left. Hello. You're in Jeff's way. I like rice. You should eat rice. Now my goal is 1,000 Robux. I'm afraid that's not going to happen. I'm afraid that's not going to happen. I'm trying to get to it. You have order late. Please donate. Please donate. Donate to me. Donate to me. I said donate to me. Donate. You. Yeah, that's right. You. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. You. Emotes. You. How are you so fast? How? Did he just leave? I think he just left. All AFK, all dimensions. Come on. Donate to me and me only. Okay, I'm not that crazy yet. You can donate to other people. Just try to haze up, join. Haze up, I need you to join my server and give me Robux. Because I need Robux. I really need Robux. You have donated over 1 billion Robux. And I have gotten literally none of it. That's why I'm going to try it before he's judged, but this game is better. Come on. I said. Give me Robux. Yes. Wait, it has Robux. No! Robux! I hate this. Oh, no. Go out, man. 600. That's pretty good. Alright. Can someone please just donate now? This is literally... I've been here for so long, not a single person has donated. At all. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to play a different game. I was going to anyways, but not this early. Like, nobody donated. I'm gonna join him. Hey, Eric. I don't know why he's like... Eric!
What?
You wanna join? You haven't been talking this whole time. Where have you? I have no idea, actually. So, are you going to leave? Because I want to play this game. What? I can't hear you. Oh, you guys probably can't hear me. Well, I don't, because you're at different tables, and I can't hear. What? I can't hear you! This is actually so frustrating. Is this someone's avatar? Bro, someone's avatar is the back rooms. That's literally someone's avatar. It's the back rooms. Oh, wait, I didn't even know you were here. Bug ever. I'll create one, Eric. There. Oh wait, there's a one fire. Join. Eric, I said join. Yeah, like you're gonna get me, idiot. Some people are jerks. Yeah, come on, join. Joiner, that jerk is gonna join again. Come on. Okay, join. What are you even doing? There we go.
What do you need to do? Get out of this stupid shop.
What shop?
The thing at the bottom of the screen, dude.
Wait, did you buy a crucifix item?
I didn't buy it. It's literally free.
Oh my. Sorry, guys.
Wait, tell me if it's still on there.
Sorry, guys. I just accidentally closed doors because I'm an idiot.
Right now,
I'm a big idiot and I closed doors. Eric, rejoin. No, yeah, that was a trick or treat one. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, get ready. Go. Join. It's not letting me join. It's not, I'll just run it to your thing. It's not letting me join from inside. Where are you? I'll make one, because it's not letting me join. Huh? Where? It's not letting me join. You see this? I'm literally spam clicking. Okay, I'll make my own, because it's loading data apparently. It's not letting me join. Can I at least join like a regular elevator? Let me see. Alright, I can't do anything apparently. I can literally not do anything. Oh, there we go. It's fixed. Create it. It's fixed. Create one. Create one as soon as possible. Create one. Just create one. I'll create one. I created one. Join. Yes. No, I didn't. I'm kidding. I didn't mean to close the game, you know. I just clicked it. Yeah. I accidentally closed doors. Definitely. Yeah.
You definitely did. Yeah, you definitely did press that X at the top.
Yeah, I definitely didn't press Alt F4. Yeah, I didn't. I just pressed X. Why can I not pronounce things correctly? Okay, now I will take a picture of a loading screen. I took a picture of a loading screen. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, maybe I should submit it. Maybe I should. Orange. Okay, I can't do it. Nope, I'm not doing that. Yes. I'm gonna buy the bandage pack and nothing. Bandage pack. I got a bandage pack. I got a bandage pack. I'm gonna take a possessed candle. Oh my. Look, Eric, I actually made free, so let me take some gummies, because I made free in order to. I got a lighter. Oh yeah, by the way, if you find any more candy, let me have it. I'm gonna take my possessed candle here. It's probably not a good idea. Oh, right. Eric, I literally need one more candy in order to... What? Where is it? Oh. Wait, I'm gonna wait. What just happened? Hide. Wait, can you actually run? How did Timothy get? Oh wait, that's what that does, right? I'll put it. I have those two. Oh, candy. What does this do? Energized. Yay. Alright, I'm gonna take it as soon as you open that gate. Don't open the door, you. It's earmuffs. Eric, it's earmuffs. Okay, this may sound just like distorted to you, but It's just a earmuffs. This is so weird. Okay. Oh, I'll tell you when it wears off. Wears off. At least that was it. Ooh! Made with gold! Yeah, actually. It's fine! Yeah. Yeah. Don't open the door yet. Wait. Why did you open the door?
I didn't open the door, you did.
No, I didn't. I was right there with you. Okay, I didn't mean to open the door.
Careful.
Are you here? Yeah, you're here.
Wait.
Double shot, double hit, or whatever it's called. I forgot. Gimme! Did the lights flicker? Eric, save me! Eric! Why didn't you save me? Screw it! I just died. Because, did you guys, like, I didn't even hear that because of Giggle. The was, yes, I got the sugar rush. Ugh, I'm actually so angry right now. No, brother. I'm just gonna speedrun doors, man. I don't freaking care. No, I'm going to, yeah, I'm gonna speedrun until. I should probably take some stuff on the speedrun, guys. So, let's see. I do not have a timer, so if you guys do, just as soon as this starts, just time me. And if you want to post it on YouTube, because I do not have a timer. So I'm just going to try to beat the game as fast as I can. I don't know. Okay, yeah, I'll take the vitamins. No, okay, go. Go. Oh, I took that out. Wait, no, I thought I took that out. Alright, let's go. Go. Do it two. Do it two. Do it two, 3. Do it 4. Yeah, I was like, this is be the factor. Do it 6.
I literally already have rush.
Do it 7. Yeah, I'll take that. How do I get a candle? Did I just like... Oh my gosh, that was incredible. I was... Let's go. I'm gonna take one of these vitamins. Okay, I'm just gonna check this. Okay, thanks for the lighter. Bye. Let's go. Let's go. What is this? Keep going. 15. Yeah. Gosh, I'm so bad. Go back. Run. This is actually like going real good. Oh wait! Oh, I forgot I was speedrunning. Yeah, I'm just going to Lemby's baby. She's right. I'm gonna Moga. She's right. I'm gonna Moga. Yeah, that was probably a waste. Go. Go, go, go. I'm gonna go for it. I thought that would... Does that not work? Okay, you might be calling me an idiot right now, and you have the perfect right to. Like, for real. That have, like... Oh yeah, cool. Okay, that was actually stupid. You guys are probably just laughing at me so hard. I'm actually embarrassed. Yeah, let's just do super hard. I'm not doing this here. I'm not doing this here. Cool. Come on, come on. I'm just gonna Yay. I'm kidding. Well, actually, maybe I should speedrun. No, I'm not gonna get any. No, I'm not gonna get anything. Okay, let's go. This always gets me. Okay, I'll take that. At least I have that in every 5 seconds. Whatever. Okay. Yeah, thank you for the loot. Thank you for more loot. I don't care, agreed. Mat pads. I love mat pads. Oh my gosh! Nice. Okay, I'm not gonna take it. Oh, I gotta check for the crucifix. I thought this was the right road. I didn't click it, Reed. I'm sorry. I got it. Get the going down my room. Going around rooms. Door 9, yay! Going in. Come on. Yay! Of course. Alright, let's just get this done off. I got it done off. This game frustrates me so much. In Super Hard Mode, it's like a billion times. I'm not gonna go for it now. Okay, that was a way too fast. What doors? Okay, why did this room literally is impossible to have that. Why did I do that? Oh, idiot. I'm an idiot. Jumped on. You can't comment! Goodness, I'm gonna have to fix that. Door 13. Dark room. Scary. Go forward. Go straight. I think this way. I can't see. Okay, it's not a dupe. Well, it's just... I have no idea where I'm going. Oh, wait, oh, man, it's tough. Oh, it's 3 now. Yep. Yay. 3 times. This is actually so frustrating, guys. Next room. Next room. No, next room. I said next. I didn't say couch. I said next room. I said next. Okay, you gotta stop. Holy hand grenade! I'm about to holy hand grenade Screech, man. Jeez. This is door 15. Is this the right room? Is this the right room? I actually don't. Yeah, it's the right room. It's probably the right room. Okay, go. Come on. I said come. Okay, I'm gonna unclose this. Door 15. I'm going straight. Wait, is this? No, this is the wrong one. This is the wrong room. I'm an idiot. I'm such an idiot. It's straight. Straight, but then inside. No, wait, but then this way. Nice try, Screech. That banana peel. Okay, now I want to use it. Now I want to lose base of banana peel if that was possible. Don't want to risk it though. Where is the exit? I'm just gonna hug the wall. Hey guys, I found the exit. Just straight. Yes! I hate the dark. Oh, nope. Easy on. Okay, not this one. Get it! Get out! We're good? What room is this? Room 19?
Nothing.
That's good. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you better call for help. No. You're the worst entity in the freaking game, Screech. Okay, I'm actually pretty focused for this idea. Screech! Oh, what's that? Key. Go. Screech! You are. Wait, I don't think I've ever seen this round. I've seen this like in YouTube. That's all. I've never seen this round. I've never actually been in this round. Yeah. You're probably just like laughing at me that you've been in this room a billion times. But I haven't. Okay? That's all I'm gonna say. I have not. I have not. Next round. You see, I was not moving. You see, the game was making me move. You see, it's not what it looks like. I'm not a noob. Yes! Why am I so excited to see a light? I see a light. Good. Okay. Greed, I do not care about you. I have 770 gold. Okay, now I care about you. I care about you. You're the best entity in the game, Greed. I'm sorry. Get it! Okay. Get out! Get. Guys, that was too. That was too cool. Oh! I'm gonna play here. I'm so mad. I can't speak. Typewriter. Ooh. Old school stuff. I can't see a thing. Go straight. This room. I'm not going in there. Hopefully the key is not in. do not care for you. I do not care for you. Okay, I'm going to have to hear. This is the best game. This is the best game of my life. That was actually really lucky.
Did I just get another blood and jack?
No way!
I just got another blood and jack.
You're joking. I haven't gotten a single blood and jack in my life. Lighter! This is the best day of my life. I got a lighter, guys. I don't mean it because of this. Yeah. Guess what? Guess what? So bad. Type the fingers in. Glitch! You scared me! I just got glitched! That actually scared me so badly, guys. Well, we're at the Seek Chase. This is actually probably the farthest I've ever gotten in this game. Yeah, I think What? What? Thank you for killing me. Put me out of my misery. Yeah. Guess what? I'm about to die. Yeah, no. It is safe. Wait, it is safe. Yeah, I'm literally just gonna click this button. Yeah! Door 40! And super hard mode! This is the farthest I've ever gotten! I hate eyes. I hate eyes so freaking much, man. Yeah, let's go. The video's almost done left. If I get the door 50, I'm probably just gonna end the video. Because of this is really hard. Oh wait, yeah, I got rid of that. Eyes? I honestly think so. Oh, I thought I lost all my glitch for a second. I quit. I'm done. No, I'm not kidding. I'm literally about to quit this game if I'm not just how hard it is. Never mind, this game is the best game on earth. This game is the worst game on earth. Where's the door? Where's the door? Can I have the door? Yeah, I can't do this much longer. Thank you all for watching, and hopefully, I'll see you soon.